In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer in Mailchimp. Your email footer is more than a formality. It's where subscribers look for contact details, legal information, and quick links. A clean, on-brand footer improves trust, readability, and compliance. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to style it, and what to consider as you make design choices, all within the Mailchimp campaign editor. Start by opening Mailchimp in your browser and signing into your account. From the dashboard, head to Campaigns. This is where all your emails and ongoing sends are organized. Find the campaign whose footer you want to change and open it. If you're working from a regular email campaign or a saved draft, the process is the same. Once you're inside the campaign, choose Edit Design. This opens the email builder where you can adjust layout, content, and styles. Inside the editor, look to the design controls and open sections. Sections are the structural pieces of your email: header, body, and footer. Select Footer to focus only on the footer area. This ensures any changes you make apply specifically to that section, keeping the rest of your design intact. Keep in mind that Mailchimp requires certain footer items, like your mailing address and an unsubscribe link, to help you stay compliant with email regulations. You're not removing those here, you're improving how they look and feel. To start with the overall look, open Section Backgrounds. This is where you control the background color behind your footer. Click the color picker to choose a shade that matches your brand. You can drag to explore options, enter a hex code if you know your brand color, or test a subtle neutral that complements your email body. Prioritize contrast. Your text should be easily readable against the background. If you're unsure, darker text on a light background or light text on a darker background is a safe approach. Next, move to Text Settings. Here you'll find the Fonts drop-down that controls the typeface for your footer. Choose a font that aligns with your brand, but also renders well in most email clients. Simple, web-safe fonts tend to display more consistently across devices. After selecting the font, use the font adjuster to increase or decrease the size until your legal text, address, and links are comfortably readable. Aim for a size that's clear on mobile without feeling oversized on desktop. Keep things consistent with the rest of your email's typography, but don't be afraid to go a touch larger in the footer for accessibility. Open the link controls to manage how links in your footer look. Set a link color that's distinct from your regular text so subscribers can spot clickable items instantly. If you use brand colors, confirm they still meet contrast recommendations against your background. Clear, consistent link styling helps people find your unsubscribe or manage preferences links without confusion. For spacing, open padding. Padding adds breathing room inside the footer so text doesn't feel cramped. A little extra space at the top and bottom often makes legal and address lines look more polished. If your footer includes multiple lines or a small logo, balanced padding keeps the layout tidy and scannable, especially on smaller screens. Finally, adjust border if you want a clear visual separation between the body of your email and the footer. A thin, subtle line or a soft divider color can help the footer feel intentional without overpowering the design. If your background is bold, a gentle border can improve structure. When everything looks right, choose Save and Exit. Your campaign will keep the updated footer design ready for your next edits or scheduling. With these adjustments, your footer becomes clear, compliant, and on brand. Exactly what subscribers expect at the end of a professional email.